Hello everyone, I am Purnavalli, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to solve a triple integral problem. So, in this video, we are going to evaluate this integral. So, integral 0 to a. The first thing is you have to find what is the first integration, which is x. So, limit for x value is 0 to c. So, 0 to a, integral 0 to b. Integration of x square plus y square plus z square with respect to x. The limit for that is 0 to c. So x square integration with respect to x is x cube divided by 3 plus y square integration with respect to x is y square x plus z square integration with respect to x is z square x. The limit is 0 to c dy dz. The limit substitution. So integral 0 to a, integral 0 to b. Limit substitution for x value. So upper limit is c, lower limit is 0. So upper limit minus lower limit. So here upper limit value is c. So substitution of upper limit is c cube divided by 3 plus y square c, which is cy square plus cz square minus 0 into dy dx. So this is upper limit substitution minus lower limit. So x value, all the x value will be 0, so minus 0, which is equal to integral 0 to a. Then integration of this term with respect to y, the limit for y is 0 to b. So c cube divided by 3 is constant. So constant integration with respect to y will be c cube divided by 3 into y plus here c is constant. Y square integration with respect to y is y cube divided by 3 plus c is constant here. So z square integration with respect to y will be z square y. So the limit is 0 to b into dz. So what is our next step, which is limit substitution. So what is the upper limit here? B. Lower limit is 0. So upper limit substitution minus lower limit substitution for this function. So integral 0 to a, c cube divided by 3. C cube divided by 3. The limit is b for y plus c b cube divided by 3 plus c z square b minus lower limit is 0. So you have to substitute y for 0. So here all the value will be 0. So lower limit is 0 into dz, which is equal to integral 0 to a c cube divided by 3b plus cb cube divided by 3 plus cz square b into dz. And finally, you have to integrate this term with respect to ez. The limit is 0 to a. So here c cube b divided by 3 is constant. So integration of constant term with respect to ez is ez plus c b cube divided by 3 is also here constant. So integration of that constant with respect to ez is ez plus c b is constant. So z square, integration of z square with respect to ez is ez cube divided by 3. So what is the limit here? 0 to a, which is equal to, so here your upper limit is a, lower limit is 0. So upper limit substitution will be, so instead of ez you have to substitute upper limit, which is a. So c cube b a divided by 3 plus c b cube a divided by 3 plus c b a cube divided by 3 minus 0, which is minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. If I substitute z back as 0, you will get 0, right? So which is equal to, so we can write it as c cube b a divided by 3 plus c b cube a divided by 3 plus c b a cube divided by 3. So just find the common term in both all the three terms. So I just get a b c as a common term and a b c divided by 3 as a common term. So what is the remaining term in this first? C square. So here remaining term is b square. In the third term the remaining is a square. So if I rewrite this ABC divided by 3, a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the final answer for the triple integral x square plus y square plus z square with respect to x, y and ez. So the answer